Hello friends! In today's video, we will see about another instrument which is well known by all of you. As engineering and diploma are the courses filled with many problems and calculations, we all have a need of the scientific calculator. Yes, in this video, I am going to suggest you with a high quality and affordable scientific calculator which you all can buy at Amazon at a reasonable price. And after watching the complete video, please check out the description box. I have provided an Amazon link and consider buying it if you all need it. And please do watch the video till the end. Guys, the type of the calculator which most of your teachers and I suggest is Casio fx-991ES Plus. See, I am repeating it again. The calculator which you all can choose is Casio fx-991ES Plus. Remember it, okay?
So let's not waste the time and start the video. I welcome you all to Stardom Diploma.
Friends, I have ordered the second edition of Casio fx-991ES Plus. Since the first edition was out of stock, I have ordered the second edition. There is no much difference between the first and second edition. The difference is between only the colors. The first edition was white in color and the second edition is black in color. So let's open and see the second edition of Casio 991ES Plus. And here we go. In this pack, the scientific calculator is packed inside this cuboidal box. Now we'll open the box and see how the calculator is. But before that, on this box it is written as Casio fx-991ES Plus, the second edition, and an image of the scientific calculator is also displayed here. As I said, it is in the black color. Along with that, we are also having a small stamp of 3-year warranty. And below it, we are also having the barcode. We'll see about all these in the further part of the video. So friends, please hit a like for this video. Now let's open this box. Behind this box, we are also having the Amazon bill, having all the buying details like our address, price of the product, and etc. As I said before, I have kept the link in the description box. Please visit the site and consider buying it if you all require it. And yes, this is the time to unbox the scientific calculator. I am opening the box. As I said, the second edition, which is in the black color, the scientific calculator is wrapped inside a bubble cover, and a user manual and a small blue color paper is also given by them. We will open and see about each thing. I am opening the cover, and this is our scientific calculator. Along with this, we have got the user manual and a blue color paper. Yes, in this user manual, we are having the description about the function of different keys of this edition. And some shortcut functions are also mentioned here. So check out the manual first and then start using the calculator. Guys, don't forget to share the video and watch the video till the end. The next thing is about this blue color paper. As we already saw on the box about a 3-year warranty, this paper is regarding that only. For warranty, we have to scan the barcode and apply for the warranty. So in our next video, we will see the whole process to apply for warranty. So stay tuned with Stardom Diploma and subscribe my channel for new updates. And finally, now we have got to see our scientific calculator. So on this calculator, we are also having a protective cover on it. A plastic cover, and on it is written as Casio. And behind the calculator, we are having the other details of this product. So in this way, we can open the calculator from the protective cover, and again we can fix it on the cover.
If you see carefully, on the inner side of the protective cover also, there is printed something. On this protective cover, some other functions are also mentioned which are frequently used. Some functions are there to clear the history, refresh the calculator, some are there for conversions, etc. As you all can see, these are the other functions which are printed on the inner side of the protective cover.
Now let us fix this original part of the calculator on the protective cover and start calculating. See, on this calculator, we're having a small black color screen and a big green color screen, and a keypad is there on which different sizes of keys are there. See, take a view. Different sizes, colors of keys are there, and above those keys also something is written. The written part is nothing but the extra function of that single key. We will see about it in our next video. The first part of this calculator is the screen, and the second one is the solar panel, and the third one is our keyboard. First, we'll learn the basic operations of onning and offing the calculator. Onning the calculator, we can just press the single button. See, that onning button is placed at the topmost right side of the calculator.
Circular button. By clicking that button, the calculator gets on and a small bar starts blinking on the screen. Now the calculator is ready for performing different calculations.
In our coming videos, we'll see how to use the other function keys, and we will discuss some tips and tricks to use this scientific calculator. So keep watching our videos and stay updated with Stardom Diploma. In case you are having any doubts or suggestions about buying or usage of this calculator, post your comments in the comment section. Now we will learn how to off this scientific calculator. See, offing the calculator is not simple as onning it. See, for onning we have to just press the topmost right button. But for offing, if you see carefully, the green button AC above it, off is written. But by clicking it, the calculator does not get off. In fact, to off the calculator, first we have to press the shift button, which is on the left top of the calculator. After that, we have to press AC. So remember, for offing the calculator, first press shift and next AC. So this was all about the scientific calculator. In our coming videos, we will see how to apply for warranty, what are the other functions of this calculator, and also some tips to use this scientific calculator.
And this was today's video. Hope you all start the topic. If you still have any doubts or have any suggestions, feel free to post it in the comment section below. Please support my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Even press the bell icon to get new updates. Okay friends, see you all in the next video.